Logo Builder is a logo designing tool, and it has been developed using UIKit, native iOS UIKit, Core Graphics, Core Animations, and Gestures. And the application is very easy to use, sort of a tool that can be used by the end user, may it be a personal a person, individual, or a company, or a professional, to create logos. So let's start with the flow of the application. So as you can see, there's a get started button which brings us to this canvas. We're going to add a text on the canvas. So here the text goes in, the size and the glow on the text. So this is the font picker. There are a lot of fonts within the application bundle. Let's choose this one. Alright, so applying colors, different colors. There's an option for a lot of colors again, and the shadows. So, alright, so let's add it to the canvas now. So here you can see the text is already added on the canvas with the glow and the shadows. Let's edit it now. There's also an edit button that actually can be used to edit the already entered texts on the screen, on the canvas. Right, so let's edit the text to horizon tag this time, and changing the shadow fields a little. Alright, so we are removing the shadow now. So you can see this time the text is without shadows. So you can use two finger gestures to rotate the text, and you can also use the two fingers gestures to actually enlarge the text. So this is the object adding picker. On the right side you can see there are a lot of categories like fashion, fitness, religion, security, sports, technology, and a lot of them. And associated with each category there are a lot of symbols to choose from. So there's a lot of options the user is given with. And we can apply colors to these symbols, and finally we can add them to the screen. So once I've added a symbol, let me add another one for you. Alright, so there are two symbols now and one text. Right, so you can see that I've selected the computer symbol, the laptop symbol, and now I can actually move it forward and backward using the send forward and backward button. So the layers are actually moved forward and backward, and applying the pinch gestures and rotation gestures, we can change the size and rotation of the objects on screen until we get what we like it to be on screen. Alright, so we can also edit the color after it has been added to the screen even. Pressing the done button actually allows us to save it to the gallery and library, and there's another very interesting option where we can actually see our newly created logos in place on some predefined templates and billboards for a better understanding of what we have done, what we have made actually. Alright, so these are all the billboards, and as you can see the newly created logo is represented, and we can also rotate it and pinch it to make it smaller, and rotate to adjust on the billboards, and then we can share it as well. So this is the email thing. We can actually share our newly created logo with our friends. We can also share it on Facebook. Let me skip the Facebook thing. It might take a little long. Alright, so it has been posted. So the clear button, it actually clears everything from the design, but let me first show you how to save to library and other things work. So I saved it to the library, and this is where I can see my previously saved designs on screen. So if I want to edit them or something, and now we're gonna clear this everything from screen, and it's gone. So that's it for logo builder. Thank you.